Here is the Sprintzeal's video on the advantages of cloud computing. Backup and data restoration. It is easier to get back up and again retrieve it from the cloud. Improved collaboration. Quickly and easily share information via cloud storage. Low maintenance cost. Easy maintenance is one of the major advantages of cloud computing. Scalability. Mobility. Using this, the ability to connect to people and provide information is increased. Services in the pay-per-use model. Data security. Unlimited storage capacity. Cloud offers huge data storage space. Use this coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off in all courses. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to Sprintzeal.